baby! I knew it! You almost won! Just knowing that you're out there, help me to get by. Now that we're reunited, I will hold my hand. And Father, it's him, the signet, the one who saved my life. Do you remember me? Oh, come on, say you remember me.
Of course I remember you. You're the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life.
Well, you should take a look at your own reflection. I have seen your rainbows reaching skyward, past between the clouds and
And you knew I was a swan?
of course I did. If only your wings were strong, you would have come with us.
Well, now you can come with us and learn our ways.
And my mother, can she come too?
Of course I can't come with you. I'm just a baggy old duck. I can't teach you the ways of the swans.
But you taught me to swim.
And from what I remember, that nearly finished me off. It's hardly surprising, really. Fancy me, a duck, teaching a swan how to swim.
But I want you to come.
I can't come with you. My place is back on the lake with your father. Bless him. Yes, they say birds of a feather should flock together. And your place is with the swans now. And I think I know someone who's rather keen you go with them.
But I've only just found you. I'm not sure I want to leave you so soon.
Of course you do. Now, go on before I get all tearful and unnecessary. But you make sure that you visit us all in the pond, okay? Take care of him for me, won't you?
Goodbye, my dear. I know this must be very hard for you, but I promise he'll be safe with us.
I'm sure he will. Well then, go on then. Have a run at it. Go on. That's the way. Different. He was different than the rest. Was he can't go along with me? I know if you guess. He wasn't mine to other. Wasn't mine to me. Another dream gets washed away. Another dream. Another mother's tear. 1, 2, 3. Honk! What are you doing here?
You didn't think I would leave you, did you?
Oh, but you must. You must think of yourself now.
But why? I don't care whose egg I came out of. You're my mother, and that's what counts.
Well,
It takes all sorts to make a world, and you said it yourself, that their care would be so boring if we all looked the same. So I've decided to be different. We're gonna both come back to be swans.
we are both coming back. You certainly are that. Well, come on then. What are we waiting for? Let's go back to the lake. I cannot wait to see Drake's reaction. I think he might lay an egg, and what that might turn into doesn't bear thinking about.
Wait, I've got a little unfinished business.
Hey, cat, she must be so cold and wet in winter time.
Hello. Swanee? 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 Oh, oh, how I love you. How I love you. You can play with your duck until you goose it. You can chicken your swan until you grouse. Together we could fricassee your mother. It's a crazy day. It's a crazy day. Oh, it's a crazy day. The weather's turned out nice again. It's a crazy day.